Oromo. Oromia will remain the land of the free so long as it is the home of the brave.
Obaliwan ku Oromo.
Oromo. Some birds are not meant to be caged, that's all.
Akam Oromo. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. The truth is that you always know the right thing to do. The tough part is doing it. Martin Luther King once said, "The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy."
Come Oromo.
Galet.
An army of sheep led by a lion is better than an army of lions led by a sheep. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Galetoma. Oromo. Oromia will remain the land of the free so long as it is the home of the brave. Any man or woman who dares wins. Who sweats wins. Who plans wins. Finally, remember, those who stand for nothing fall for anything. Galetoma.
Jirtu. Obaliwan ku Oromo. Hara erga abdi fi jabinan isindura dhabata. Hamalifi rakina kisati dandamachun kisanduguma nama kakaasa. Imala kinya kisati kormata fi gufun numuda chumala. Garu humna tokuma fi tokuma yumi yu hindaganu. Waliantani guduma galman gahu dandinya. Adafi hamba kinya adatai hakabajnu. Akasumas garagaruma fi hunda hamati ha hamanu. Walian dahabani. Waldegeru fi wal olkasni yu jabanu. Haka fi wal kikshamaf. Kukama fi kutanun kabzu iti fufnu. Hin kalifnu, hin kabnus. Ya Oromo ku abdi fi abdian gara fuldura ha ilalu. Dandatin kinya danga hin kabu, waliantani gudama ni argana. Galatuma.
Arero goro la fo danteti, yetanteti. Arerangara ayo danteti, arere bona fenno hakete dale sharradia. Uhu afamura de mashuba. Amoya akarure akarure.
Ay ebs midhagaa Oduu alalas alagali adabongo omnigeras rumni mirk irren danab sibothai sinsimin dondothai sindandain dobithai dinagur lenchathai ittiat erasathai irrabui ofinchebr ebrados godathai ittijik odathai dambas itathai rumubas romiathai ballad pantalathai mullat hayyuthai dubbat ofim.
Come Oromo. Some birds are not meant to be caged, that's all. Their feathers are too bright, their songs too sweet and wild. So you let them go, or when you open the cage to feed them, they somehow fly out past you. And the part of you that knows it was wrong to imprison them in the first place rejoices, but still, the place where you live is that much more drab and empty for their departure. Biya ijaruf mana hidha kisa isan hiku kabdan. Oromontoko, Galatoma.
Tu. Obaliwan ku Oromo. Hara erga abdi fi jabinan isindura dhabata. Hamalifi rakina kisati dandamachun kisanduguma nama kakaasa. Imala kinya kisati kormata fi gufun numuda chumala. Garu humna tokuma fi tokuma yumi yu hindaganu. Waliantani guduma galman gahu dandinya. Adafi hamba kinya adatai hakabajnu. Akasumas garagaruma fi hunda hamati ha hamanu. Walian dahabani. Waldegeru fi wal olkasni yu jabanu. Haka fi wal kikshamaf. Kukama fi kutanun kabzu iti fufnu. Hin kalifnu, hin kabnus. Ya Oromo ku abdi fi abdian gara fuldura ha ilalu. Dandatin kinya danga hin kabu, waliantani gudama ni argana.
Ay ebs midhagaa Oduu alalas alagali adabongo omnigeras rumni mirk irren